you kids doing now?
Shut the fuck up!
What?
Shut the fuck up!
Knock it off.
Fuck.
Mom.
Fuck!
Bert?
What did I say about burping? I said no burping. And when I say no burping, what do I mean?
Watch this. The burp champion of the world.
Bert? I mean,
Bert?
are you burping again?
No!
What is it with this burping? Why? What's the thrill?
It's fun.
Fuck you!
That's what I said. It's fun. I'm still the burp champion of the world. Meet the new champ. Watch this. Oh, yeah?
How many times do I have to tell you kids? I absolutely forbid burping in this household.
How's it going, everybody? Oops, pardon my French.
Thanks, Dad.
Fuck you!
Dad.